Hello everyone, welcome to Smart English Grammar class. Today we are going to learn how to use has and have in English. Let us begin. What are has and have? Has and have show possession. They tell us that someone owns or has something. They are also called helping verbs. Use of have, we use have with you with the examples. I have a book. You have a nice car. We have two dogs. They have a large house. Simple rule I, you, we, they have use of have, we use have with he, she. The examples. He has a bike. She has a laptop. It has a long tail. Simple rule he, she, it has. If this lesson is helping you understand English easily, please like this video and subscribe to Smart English Grammar class for more easy grammar lessons. Now let us practice. Fill in the blanks. She a new phone. They a big house. He a brother. With 3 flowers. Answer. She has a new phone. They have a big house. He has a brother. We have a test today. Great job. Summary. Use have with I, you, we, they. Use has with he, she, it. Now you can use has and have correctly in sentences. If you want to keep improving your English grammar, subscribe to Smart English Grammar class. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.